class. Okay, class. So we continue with the example of spherical coordinates. Okay, spherical coordinates. So the question now is determine the volume of the what we call the solid that lies in the first octane, first octane or first quadrant, first octane, and is bounded by the sphere. Okay, so now this is a keyword here. Okay, by the sphere rho equal to 2, and the what else, the phi, the cone. Okay, this is the cone shape. Okay, phi equal to 1/6 pi and phi equal to 1/3 pi dot. Okay, so I repeat again. The question here is determine the volume of the solid that lies in the first quadrant, and also is bounded by the sphere. By the sphere rho equal to 2. Okay, and also the cone with the limit 1/3 pi and 1/6 pi. Okay, class. So now we will proceed with the I will just write the limit first. Okay, so because this is volume, right? So your function is 1. Okay, and then this is your integral. Okay, d rho d phi d theta. Okay, so must be all here. All this must be written here. Okay, class. Right now, okay, I just write lah. This is 1. Okay, so now the first one is a row. Okay, it's a row limit. So what is your row? Okay, it's a 2. So means this 0, 2. Okay, it's just simple like that. So if you you just find out that only one number here, which is rho equal to 2. So the other one will be 0. Okay, 0 phi. 0 phi, 0 rho, 0, 2. Alright, then we go to the phi. So phi, obviously we have 2 number here. So which one, the lower one? Must be the small value lah. The small value is pi/6. And this is your upper value, upper limit. And the last one, theta. Theta is an angle, is it? So you need to see carefully. From this one, you can see that this is a first octane. Okay, class. So you have a circle because this is sphere. Okay, we know that this is a first octane, second octane, third octane, is a fourth octane, or maybe some octane we can measure. Sometimes we use a word of quadrant. Okay, so means that it's the first octane is here only, this one only. So what's the angle here? It should be 90, is it? So it must from 0 until pi/2 only. Okay, class. So careful, careful. When you get the question, read it carefully. If they have no any restriction, means that they have no mention about first or 2 octane, so we can conclude that this is a full one, like the previous example, right? But for this example, it's mentioned as a first octane, so you just consider first octane. So there goes. This is your limit. So you can figure out by yourself. You can answer by yourself. So the answer that you should get here is 2 pi/3, and in the bracket we have square root 3 minus 1. So you can get any numbers. I mean, maybe some of you will open the square root 3, you get a number, right? And pi, you open the bracket, it's 1.4 or something. But I just want to suggest to you, just remain your pi, your surd as it is, because you will get the answer is more accurate. Because when you open it, you will get a decimal point. So decimal point is, you will lead to error. Okay, So why not? You just remain as pi, you just remain as Z. Okay, class? Okay. Alright, so I think that's it. So this is the example of spherical. Oh, yeah, I think I forgot something, class. So, yeah, I realized something. Okay, this is the substitution that you need to make it actually. I think in the video of introduction, I didn't mention it. Okay, so for x, okay, you need to replace with rho sine phi cos theta. And then for y, you need to replace with rho sine phi sine theta. And for z, you need to replace with rho cos phi. Okay, class, so you can see that the difference between x and y here is on this part. Okay, and then for z, yeah, rho cos phi only. Okay, they have no theta. So I forgot this one just now. Okay, so means that if you have, because this is for this example they have no x, y, z involved, means that your limit is 2 and so on. But if you have x, y, z, so you need to use this substitution to replace it. Okay, class? Okay, right, so I think that's it. So for this week we just cover these two, spherical and also spherical. You may find out if you want to have another example, so you may Google it. Okay, I think they have a lot of example there. And of course, if you still you can't understand what I explain here, you can repeat again, or maybe you can search another another sources in another YouTube channel and so on. Okay, because nowadays you have many access there, so you boleh je try cari, okay, any resources. Right, class, so yeah, that's it. So I will stop here. So I will see you next week with the new topics. Okay, the new topics means that we are still in the same chapter but the new topics. Okay, dah.